name is Kushi and I'm going to be teaching you how to make loom bands. So let's get to it. So first, you're going to need some loom bands. You're going to need some loom bands. You don't need like a toothpick or whatever they call them, but you are going to need this. And you're going to choose some colours, and you're going to choose some colours. You can choose whatever colours you need, okay? Yeah, I'm going to be using this. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can just make a regular one. Okay, I'm going to be using this, but if you don't want to use that, it's totally up to you, okay? Because I'm going to be teaching you how to make two kinds of ones. One with this and one without it. And so, yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to make mine rainbow coloured. So, first, you're going to need this. And what you're going to do is you're going to find two picks like this. But as you can see, there's like picks on it. There's like little things on it. It's a bit hard to see, but they're there. And what you're going to do is you're going to find them and put it on two of them. But it has to be one at the front. And you're going to have it like this. And you're going to twist it and put it on. Just like that. And then you're going to take another loom band. Don't twist it like this. Keep it like that. And you're going to put it on the top. And it doesn't matter if you have a picker or not. I don't think I do. You're going to just take it up like this. Yeah? And here as well, you're going to take it, push it up, just like that. Then you're going to push it down. And then you're going to do it over and over again to make a loom band. Okay? So I am not going to fast forward for this. Maybe I am actually. Let's get to it. And then here it is, the loom band. Now, you're going to take an S clip. They should look like an S with two hooks. Like this. Like that. Two clips. You're going to hook one of the clips to the end. And then hook the other clip to one of these, and then you're going to take it off and hook them together, just like that, and then you can put one on. Now I am going to quickly show you how to make one of these. So let's get to it. So this is the bit I need to show you. It should be clipped on like that. You should open it up and clip it on like that. Yeah, it might fall off, though. So, you have one like this, yeah? Then you're going to clip it onto something. Okay, so let's go do that. Then you're going to use it the same. You're going to twist it, then you're going to plug it on, and then keep on making it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the end product looks like. It might have a different charm, but this one's a bit broken, so this is the final one. Ta-da! And you should be able to wear it like that. So, bye, and I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, please. Bye.